Hey creators! Illustrator's Type tool gives you complete creative control if you want to create custom typography that stands out for branding, posters, social media, or digital artwork. Unlike basic text editors, Illustrator allows you to manipulate letter forms, apply unique effects, and convert text into fully customizable vector shapes for a one-of-a-kind look. Before discussing how to design custom typography, let's ensure you have Illustrator installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check the link in the description. It'll take you to Adobe's official site, where you can download the latest version securely. How to download and install Adobe Illustrator. Here's how to get Illustrator up and running. Go to Adobe's official site, link in the description, and sign in or create an account. Find Illustrator in the Adobe Apps list and click Free Trial to begin the download. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which manages the installation of Illustrator and other Adobe apps. Once installed, launch Illustrator, and you're ready to start designing. With the trial version, you'll have full access to Illustrator's Type tool and advanced text manipulation features, allowing you to experiment with different typography techniques. Now that Illustrator is set up, let's go over how to design unique text styles using the Type tool. Select the Type tool, T. Click anywhere on your artboard to type your text. Choose a font style that fits your design. Convert to outlines. To customize your text fully, go to Type. Create outlines. This transforms your letters into editable vector shapes. Modify letter forms. Use the Direct Selection tool, A, to tweak anchor points and adjust individual letters for a custom look. Apply effects and distortions. Try using warp effects, envelope distort, or the Pathfinder tool to reshape and stylize your typography. Use gradients and textures. Enhance your design by adding color gradients, textures, or blending modes to create depth and dimension. Save in vector format. Export your design as SVG or PNG to maintain quality at any size. With these techniques, you can turn simple text into bold, creative typography that grabs attention and makes your design stand out. Before you go, if you haven't installed Illustrator yet, click the link in the description to download it now. Having the latest version ensures you get access to all the newest typography and vector design tools. And if you're serious about improving your design skills, subscribe to our newsletter. We send out exclusive tutorials, software discounts, and expert tips straight to your inbox. The link is below. Also, if you want to explore another powerful Illustrator tool, check out the video at the top right corner. In it, we break down how to create complex logos using the Pathfinder tool. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with typography, and I'll see you in the following video.